from Australia. I'm 14 years old and I play right wing. They've been very good. The training's really better compared to Australia, and how everyone's really dedicated to playing. My favourite player would be Mbappe because of his age and how good he is for his age, and someone just to look up to. I also like Modric, how he played last year. It was very, his passing was very accurate, and how he moved on and off the ball. This is a good program as it helps players from all over the world exceed in what they like doing, and it also has helped me a lot with my passing and moving around faster. I definitely recommend it to others as it's definitely helped me.